Welcome everyone. My name is Victoria, and today I will be your host for this podcast. As part of our Erasmus project, one of our activities will be the recording of a podcast on the topic of AI in astronomy. I'm glad to say that I'm very excited to take you on this journey of discovery. We have a Swedish student as guest in our studio for this podcast, so can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello. My name is William, and I'm 14 years old, and I'm turning 15 this year. I'm from Sweden, in Falsterbo, and it's a small city, and there's like 10,000 people that live in it.
Great, great. Nice to meet you. Okay, so today we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence known as AI and NASA's project. Let's start by discussing how AI is revolutionizing NASA's approach to asteroids. If we put aside all the wars, world crisis, climate change, we can conclude that, for example, an asteroid the size of Koprivnica or Falsterbo can destroy our entire civilization. With thousands of near-Earth objects out there, tracking and analyzing them is no small feat. NASA, for example, employs advanced AI algorithms to sift through the massive amounts of data collected from telescopes. Moreover, the race is on among astronomers in every field to find new ways to leverage the power of AI. First, can you explain artificial intelligence or AI in simple terms? What AI actually is? Just say.
AI is like a artificial intelligence. That's what it stands for, and what it does that it takes all the information that we know,
Yes.
and it can use that to make answers. Like if you use ChatGPT, it uses AI, so you can ask it something, and then it will read through the internet after that subject that you ask it about, and then it can develop an answer by itself. So it's like a smart robot, basically.
Yes, I agree. Does AI help you in your school
Uh,
projects?
Yeah, I would say that the AI helps me in my school projects. I usually use it to to summarize some texts, maybe. So I paste in a text, and then I ask it to summarize it and take out some vad fan heter det? Some important facts. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. Do you have any knowledge? Have you heard or read about how NASA is using AI to protect us from space rocks or asteroids?
I haven't read anything about that, but I've heard a little bit of it, and I know that they use AI to analyze the data that they get from telescopes that watches space rocks all the time.
Yes, yes. From telescopes, and there are a lot of other tools, for example, machine learning that analyzes images of the sky, and a lot of different programs that, for example, analyzes the orbits. It's insane. Do you agree that how AI can quickly analyze everything?
Yeah, it can analyze it very quickly, and I think it's often better than a human at doing that. But you still need humans to process the facts.
Indeed. Now, let's take a step back in time to the early days of astronomy to take a moment to honor pioneering women known as the Harvard computers. Before AI, there were these Harvard computers, right? Who were they? Why are they important, and what do you know about them?
Yeah, I know there was in Harvard. They had a woman that analyzed everything, and she basically was a computer. Basically, she analyzed all the data, and she got really underpaid as well, and because women in that time didn't get the same amount of pay as a men, just because they were women, and that isn't like right. And nowadays, women they gets paid nearly as much as men, and it's a lot better now than back in the days. But I know that like they work really hard. She was a really hard-working woman, and but she got paid a lot less. So they basically like exploited her, and that's
Yes.
not nice at all.
Yes, we can mention that that work that Harvard computers did was firstly done by men,
Yeah.
but women did that work better than them. So, but yes, their work, how you said, was discriminatory and even ethically questionable. But they remind us all that brilliance knows no gender at all, and their contributions were groundbreaking. This, despite this discrimination, they proved that women can excel in science, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, back to the topic of the use of AI in research. Is there anything ethically questionable about the use of AI in scientific research today? What do you think?
I think that AI can like it can take some people's jobs. That isn't very good. Some people have worked hard to get some degrees, and then AI came and maybe took their jobs. So they needed to change jobs or actually just go back to school and take another degree, and that's not that good from AI. But they work much faster than humans, so we will process all the facts a lot faster with AI. But they can't think like a human, so AI can just process the facts. They can't think of their own, so it could be better to have a human instead of AI on some things as well. So
Yes. What do you think about misinformation made by AI today?
um,
Do you know any examples of that?
no, I don't.
Okay, maybe today we can find videos of scientists promoting false claims. Have you heard about that?
Yeah, I've heard a little bit about that. AI, they can generate like false information, and if you ask an AI about something and it tries to search it up, it can take it from like a not so good source, and it could be just false information, and then it makes its own information basically. So it's not true information.
Yes, there is a lot of AI generated research papers that could spread those misinformations that can actually manipulate us all in the end. We can conclude that AI is a really powerful tool, but it must be used responsibly.
Yeah.
Okay, and finally, the last question. If you could ask scientists in NASA who are working on asteroid project one question, what that question would be?
I would ask. I think I would ask how the AI like. Why do they have AI instead of like just a human doing it instead? Because like
Like a Harvard computer.
yeah, exactly. So why don't they have like a Harvard computer? Like why? What is the benefits and what is the pros and cons? You know, like what is good with it? What is bad with it? Is it that it thinks faster? Is it because it just is faster than a human or anything like that?
So you think that AI has more benefits that are beneficial for us today than cons?
Yeah, I would say that.
Nice, nice. It's inspiring to see how technology evolves. And as we look ahead, the synergy between AI and space exploration promises exciting discoveries in our understanding of universe. As Carl Sagan once said, somewhere something is incredible is waiting to be known. I want you to keep that spirit of curiosity alive and remember, every great discovery starts with a question. Thank you.
Thank you.